we're here, we're at the waterfront, and of course we're here supporting Marie's giveaway, and of course everybody's here, everyone from Farming on the Rocks is here, and of course and they're all beautiful people. I mean, it is such a privilege and it is such a joy to be able to come along and to just meet and greet and just celebrate the cause. Maria, where you at? There she go. Little Miss Wiggy Wiggy. Mikhail, happy dance. Hey, happy dance. Hey. Yes, I'll come up here. Maria flopped me a while ago. Hey, Steve. Say hello. Hello, Farming on the Rocks people. Family. Look at these beautiful people. Look at the merge. Guys, talk to me. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at my baby. Come here, Mikhail. Alright guys, so right here we have Risa. This is Risa. Tell me your channel.
It says Garden to Kitchen, guys.
Garden to Kitchen.
Amazing.
And I'm telling you, Risa give me some big mango. Alright, now wow, more. But she don't care none.
I bring mango, guys. She was so late. That's her fault.
Miss Han over here.
Wagwan, Stacey.
Tell me now.
My sis.
What going for you?
I am there. I am right there, so.
You're there.
Enjoy myself. You hear that word, them, you enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy. Breeze nice and cool, isn't it?
Trust me. Today was great.
Yes.
I totally enjoyed myself.
Awesome.
It was wonderful.
Yes.
And we need to do this more than.
Can I tell you?
Often than not, you know?
Can I tell you?
We must find a reason or no reason for just link up together.
But of course.
Yes.
Guess who we have over here, guys? Look at her.
Hi.
Tell them your channel.
This is Carrie from my Home and Garden channel, Dwelling in God's Presence. I'm so happy to be here today, linking up with the Farming and the Rock crew, Stacey, Risa, Miss, and everybody. These ladies inspire me so much, and I want to encourage you, do your gardening today. Start with even one container.
Guys, she over there with some yam in a container. Can I tell you? She's doing well. So please, everyone, check them out, guys. They're all beautiful ladies.
10 pounds of yam from her barrel, guys. Amazing.
Serisa speaking about it. Yes. So
I'm going to try the yam.
I came here when everything done. Can you imagine? I came when everything done. So one box over here, so I might as well just teeth out something. Anybody a look? Anybody a look? It's Marie box. Alright guys, so it is so, refreshing to meet everyone, to meet the Farming on the Rocks family. And of course my favorite is right here running from me. Say hi. Hello. Guys, in the depot I'm a depot right now, but yeah, he's my favorite. Alright guys, so yeah, it's such a good time we're having here. I'm late, but I am so elated and so pleased to see the turnout. Alright?
Stacey, thank
you
for coming,
Look here. Came on Sinus. If you came earlier, there were people from there, go straight back to
Oh my. And I was never a late bug,
Look here, Stacey.
Yeah.
It is a 3 o'clock event, and people were here 1:30.
Say what now?
Waiting.
Yes.
Look here, I bring over 1,000 seeds, and them go like nothing.
Yeah.
But the good thing is, we know people planting.
It's a blessing. It's a blessing,
Yeah,
Marie.
people planting food, and that's the aim.
Miss Juliet, they here?
See her here.
Tap it.
You're not behaving right.
See me there here, I asked to Miss Juliet.
Yeah, and
And lo and behold,
this
and
is
she
Miss
had the
Juliet.
first one.
Run, come up,
Can you imagine? Oh my word.
This is Miss
It is such a joy to meet you. What a blessing.
You see it, you know, long me I ask her. You first my ask. I wonder if Stacey coming and she said I don't hear from her yet, you know. Oh, you surprised me. You surprised us. Not you, your channel first, fine.
Hold on up. When she posted, and I was like, oh, me I go jump over them comments here and not say no. Like, I generally don't leave out anything in the comments. Like, me I touch everything. And hear me, oh, me I go jump over if I say Maria announce. And she not see me, I say no. Hear me, Lord God, I hope she not ask me, you know. I hope she not say Stacey, so you not say no.
I don't hear from her yet. You mean I wonder if Stacey coming.
Keep it that way. Keep it that way.
I'm asking Rissa, I'm asking Miss Ann. You know from there. She said she hear from Rissa, she hear from Miss Ann. She don't know if you coming yet. Yes. I must say, I see Stacey and me run from come up yo.
I'm here, babe. Here, me to marry. Where's Miss Juliet?
You hear that?
All right, guys, so we're signing out. Thank you so much for tuning in. We always appreciate you. God bless you all. And until next time, walk good.
Walk good. Walk good.
Look here, Saraya Lataya, a babe.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want?
Come garden with me now, man.